In this video, I'll show you how you can join someone on Roblox without being friends. Now first what you want to do is you want to head over and download this restore old Roblox server list. Just type this in Google and there will be a Google web store. Go there, press add to Chrome. Come up here and make sure it's pinned, just like this. Then what you want to do is open it, press auto search and reload your page. Now once you've done this, you want to find the player. So what you can do is you can find him, whatever. Let's say this is the person. You're gonna copy their nickname, their ID right here. Come up here and type it in here. Now when you have the username, it's gonna be like this. And let's just refresh once more. Check that it's still in here. Yes, it is. Then you wanna head over and find the game they're playing. So let's say it's a streamer or a YouTuber. You're watching the stream and you can see that they're playing VR Hangout. Then what you can do is open up VR Hangout, press on servers, and you'll be able to see here, it's currently searching for the user. Then you'll be able to find them in one of these. And you can also press search right here, and it's gonna look for much more servers. Now obviously, this is not a YouTuber, this is not a streamer, it's not online, so it cannot find it. But if he was online, you'll be able to find him right in here. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.